Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over how to grow fast on YouTube if you have no followers at all. So I'm going to go over some of my tips and tricks on how to grow fast on YouTube. Right now, I'm actually doing kind of an experiment where I stopped making YouTube videos for quite a bit of time and I still grew. I still got more views. I'm getting more subscribers, even though I didn't make any new YouTube videos. So I'm going to go over the tips and tricks of the things that I did in order to get those views and subscribers. First thing I want to talk about is having videos on your YouTube channel. So say you have a ton of videos, but you're not getting a lot of views. Well, what you can do, because YouTube is forever, you can go back into your old videos. And right now what I'm doing is I'm finding the videos that are the most successful videos that I have, and I'm going to change the titles and I'm changing the thumbnails. And that's all. I'm not changing anything else, just the titles and thumbnails. So I had some videos that went viral. So what I did is I went back and I changed my titles to be the exact same way as the video that went viral. And then I changed my thumbnail. I think the video was about Snapchat. So I changed my thumbnail to be similar to the one that I had about Snapchat. And lo and behold, in a couple days, I had more views on that video just because I was piggybacking off of a video that I'd already made and the look and whatever. So whatever it did to go viral, I was piggybacking off of that. Another thing you can do, and it's not really copying, but another thing you can do is you can look at other really popular YouTubers and see what they're publishing for the next, 2 weeks. And then copy the style of how they do their thumbnails. Make sure that your thumbnails are interesting and clear. They get to the point. They tell you exactly what your video is going to be about. How-to videos. So this channel is how to grow on YouTube. That is exactly what I'm telling you to do in every single video that I do on this channel now. So how-to videos are really great to grow on YouTube just because they bring in somebody who wants to learn how to do something, you deliver that, and they watch more of your videos after because they still want to learn more. So I highly suggest you make how-to videos if you want to grow easily and quickly on YouTube. Social media, share your YouTube videos. So on top of my YouTube channel, I also have links on my banner to my Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, and I think I have one to Facebook as well, but I share my videos and share the ideas about my videos on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook as well. And so that's just going to get you more views because it's on different social media platforms, but it also gives you an opportunity to use hashtags in things like Instagram and in TikTok. So I could, right after making this video, I'm going to make a video on TikTok talking about where you can see my next how-to video, and I'm going to put in hashtags that translate over to Instagram as well. By doing this, by going onto TikTok and Instagram, which are really popular right now, you are driving more traffic away from that social media platform to YouTube, to your channel. You're getting more people to watch your channel. And when I use hashtags on Instagram and on YouTube, I only use maybe 3 or 5 hashtags. Everybody talks about, oh, maybe you should have 30 hashtags about so-and-so. No, I usually just use general hashtags that talk about my subject. So how to grow on YouTube or so on. And maybe my name or, the best ways to grow on YouTube or how to get more subscribers or something like that. Something that's general that somebody, if they're typing it in on YouTube, they want to learn how to grow on YouTube. My video is going to be the first one that shows up and it's the clearest one. Browser attachments. So I actually use one that's called vidIQ. So that helps me with my SEO, my search engine optimization. I use vidIQ to get keywords, to do hashtags, to put tags, to put to share online, and it gives you a bunch of stats on how you're doing for your SEO. It gives you suggestions for your keywords. It gives you suggestions on where to share things, and yeah, it's a really great resource. It's also free. So try vidIQ or another browser attachment that you want to use and try to optimize your SEO and just get your video out to as many people as possible. Last thing I want to talk about is actually editing your video. So I'm kind of trying to feel it out right now. I'm trying to do shorter videos, but I'm also trying to do a few longer videos. So right now I'm editing my videos so that I have extra B-roll. I have different perspective changes every about 10 seconds or so when I do videos. And I just want to draw the eye in and keep the attention of the viewer in my video. And that you do that by editing properly and using B-roll and just zooming in or zooming out in a clip. You don't really want to have one long continuous clip of somebody talking because it becomes boring. So you want to keep people's attention and edit properly. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about how to grow fast and get more views and followers on YouTube.